Hello and welcome to the Tech channel. Today I'm working on the vintage Seiko 5 automatic watch. It's based on the caliber 6106C movement. The serial number here points to the February 1974, and it is the year of manufacturing. Also here is the caliber 6106 and the case code 5529 engraved on the case back. The watch is ticking, but the problem is that it is about 50 years old and it has a lot of signs of wear and tear. The case and bracelet also have scratches and no signs of the original polish. I can adjust the time by crown, and also I can change the date, but I'm not sure if the day of the week adjustment works correctly. It's a nice looking watch with bright blue dial, gold tone hands and time markers. As many Seiko watches, it has a day and date indicators, stainless steel case and bracelet. Opening this case is kind of tricky. It's a tricky task, and I learned how to open this kind of case back some time ago, and I published some dedicated short video to demonstrate how to open this kind of case. The link to that video will be in the description. I can see a lot of dirt accumulated inside. Maybe this watch was never been opened before. The crystal has a crack on one side and also a lot of scratches. So I am going to restore this watch, and this video is dedicated to the stripping it down and getting ready for the good cleaning. The crystal gasket is in a very good shape, just needs some cleaning and lubrication. The dial is pretty clean and bright. Blue color looks very nice. Taking stem with crown out of the case. And removing the movement. Now starting the movement disassembling with hands removal. Then removing the rotor. And automatic framework. And this caliber comes in 3 modifications, with 17 jewels, 23 jewels and 25 jewels. This particular watch what I'm working on has 17 jewels, but other parts are the same for all these options. I will disassemble it later. Now removing the balance assembly. Ratchet wheel, click spring, checking mainspring barrel for side and end shakes. Looks like no issues here. Pretty good condition. Fourth wheel also has a normal end shake. Starting to remove the barrel bridge. It's held by 3 screws. Taking out the mainspring barrel and removing the pallet fork cock. And now pallet fork itself. This is just a reminder about subscribing to my channel if you like the video content. Taking out escape wheel, fourth and third wheels. The center wheel is held by the cannon pinion on opposite side, so I will remove it later. And this is the hack which stops the fourth wheel when crown is in the time setting position. The sliding pinion is next, and the center wheel cover plate. And that's all for this side. Now I will lose the 2 screws that hold the dial. And the dial and the dial holder are separated from the movement. Flipping over to another side, and now I will proceed to stripping off the dial side. The day indicator ring, Seiko calls it a day star. Removing the day finger. And now releasing the date dial guard held by 4 small screws. Removing the date jumper. And the date indicator. Seiko calls it a date dial. Now it's hour wheel, intermediate wheel, date driving wheel. Removing 2 screws holding the minute wheel bridge. Taking out the minute wheel bridge, then the setting and minute wheels. The setting spring is next. And the yoke. Then setting lever. Now removing the date corrector spring. Taking out the cannon pinion, which will let the center wheel to go. And that's all for disassembling, besides the automatic framework. Removing the holder. Then pull lever. And transmission wheel. And now it's time to take a mainspring out of barrel. This also includes the arbor. And finally, all parts are in the containers and are ready for cleaning in the ultrasonic machine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel, please give me likes if you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye now.